All right, how's it going, YouTube? So this is what's left in the giveaway. So let me go ahead and move this out the way, show y'all who won. He was the first to answer correctly. So it was Richard Rose, and it was Kenny and Nick from New York, and they did travel 3 hours to my event. Russell, you was almost there, but he said he couldn't hear the names. And then Island RC Duke, shout out to everybody right here for they was on it. So y'all got to stay tuned for the next part. So the next part, here's how this is gonna work. Let me get this out the way, guys. So I'm gonna ask another question. The question will be in part 2 of Summer Heat, and the winner from that one wins one of these. So the question is, what time in part 2 of Summer Heat did I give Bo a dap? I need the Pacific time that I gave Bo a dap. I'll give you even a more hint. He was the little kid in the video. So first person to answer that gets to choose one of these. So once again, the question is, what time in the video did I dap Bo? And he is the little kid in the video. You got to watch the video and figure that out for yourself now. So, all right, guys. Remember, the first person to drop it in the comments will win. They will choose. And then the next part, I will be removing one of these. So if it's these two left, I will do part 3. And part 3, you just got to pay attention to when it's coming. I'm not giving no hints or nothing. I might drop this right now, or I might not. So just got to stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Let me just add this in. This is your charger, Richard. So once you send me your email details, I will actually complete the whole giveaway. And once everything is done, I'll be shipping everything to everybody. I will be paying the shipping this time around. Next giveaway I do, shipping might be on the winners. But it's on me this time. It's a full giveaway. So thank y'all for joining in. And Richard, this is yours. So no worries about that. Now we just got 3 more things to get. 2 more. Sorry. 2 more things to get rid of. All right, guys. Stay tuned.